What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Monetary Out 73. Got some packs. I got some packs today. Yeah, so let's open some packs. Mega. Couple megas right here. New ones. Let's open up from the new old set. Let's open this purple one right here. It's gonna be a longer video, but F it. Wow. We got a hit. We got a hit already. Nice. All can wait. Let's open this. Yeah. Heckins. Fish. Nothing in that one. Nothing in that one. But ripping through these real quick. 3. So we got Salamence, Little Bird, Buzz, the dude, and that one. Nothing in that one. Iron leaves. Iron leaves. Let's go. Hopefully we'll get a hit. We didn't get nothing in this one. We got 2. That's all we got. Now, the big ones, big boys right here. Go away. Lucario. Wow. Wow. We got Mega Lucario. So we got 2. Hold up.